What's up, everybody? Andrew here with the Medellin Living Channel, and today I am here with
Franco. What's up, everyone?
He's also a Medellin Living real estate agent.
That's right.
Make sure to click on the link in the description below, fill out the form, and somebody on our team will get back to you if you're looking to buy a property in Medellin. Today, we're gonna look at two amazing properties. I've seen the pictures, they actually look awesome. Have you seen them?
I have not seen them, and I'm excited to go check out these properties.
All right, you ready?
Let's go do it.
Let's do it. All right, let's walk into this first property here.
Wow.
Holy cow.
Wow, look at that terrace. That's the first thing you see. That's the first thing I notice.
Yeah, same here. That is amazing. But you've got the kitchen over here.
The kitchen is...
Wait, where's the fridge?
The fridge is hidden, which is amazing. Look at this.
Holy cow, that's awesome.
And it's not the only thing that's hidden here, you know. You got the dishwasher, which is hidden right here as well.
Wow, yeah, super clean.
Super modern,
yeah, that's
super
amazing.
clean.
Okay, and a lot of storage here.
Storage
You've got the
island.
professional grade grill here. Look at this.
There you go. If you know how to cook, or if your girl knows how to cook.
Or you gonna, if you
hire a cook, there you go.
You better have a cook. All right, so here's the terrace.
The terrace. Wow.
Okay.
This is bigger than my apartment.
Yeah.
I gotta say.
What do we have out here?
Okay, so first we have the ice bath.
Okay.
Which we're gonna see
Oh,
consistent
this
throughout
is
the
a
video today.
Ice bath.
You got the ice
Yeah,
bath for
crucial.
your after work training.
Yeah.
The barbecue grill for that professional chef that you hire.
Yep.
And then the jacuzzi.
Jacuzzi.
Go ahead and check that out.
Yeah, and where are we right now?
So we're just above Provenza. We're in.
This is the road here.
This is the road that leads up.
But look how quiet it is. Even though we are a 4-minute walk down this street into Provenza, you don't hear anything other than the creek out there.
Yeah, just the creek across the street, which is actually great because you know they're not going to construct any buildings over there.
Yeah,
so
they're
won't
definitely
anything.
Very good point. Okay, so now here we've got the living
large
area.
Living area.
Wow.
Large
Look how big this couch
sofa. Yeah, I know, right?
Yeah.
Big sofa, big TV, big painting. I love this painting, by the way.
Yeah, very cool.
Let's go check out the first guest bedroom.
Okay.
So every bedroom has AC.
Okay.
This is the first one that you have.
Okay. Yeah.
Which is very nice.
And this one doesn't have its own bathroom, right?
It
This
does
one?
not. But it's got a bed. It's practical.
Yeah. Yeah, it's basically, or you could convert this into like an office space if you wanted to.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay. How many bedrooms total do we have in this one?
So we have 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms.
Okay.
It's 240 square meters,
Okay.
which is around 2,600 square feet.
Okay.
Which is very large.
Yeah, very large. So here we've got another bedroom.
The other bedroom.
Holy
this is actually
cow.
the master bedroom.
This is the master. Look how
just
big
as
this
big as the living area outside. My gosh.
Yeah, and it does have access to the jacuzzi in the back.
The jacuzzi in the back.
King size bed here.
King
Holy
size
cow.
bed. King size headboard. You got everything.
Everything's king size.
King size. You got the toilet over here to the left.
Toilet there,
You got the double vanity, which not a lot of places have. And then you got your shower here that actually acts as well as the steam room.
Yeah. Oh, wow. So this is a steam room, yeah.
This is a steam room. Don't lock me in here, please.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's,
And
well, you got access back there. Yep. Back to the terrace. Here's the steam room controls.
Controls.
Yeah. Amazing. Okay. And,
go check out.
what's back here?
So
Looks like a little office area back there, too.
We got windows so you can see the green views. You got your little office.
Yep.
And you got more storage room back
storage
there.
back there. Yep. Okay.
All right. Let's go down to the hall to the right.
All right.
So to the left, we have the other bathroom.
Okay.
You got your toilet, again, very consistent with the design. Love this design for the showers. And
What's back
you're
here?
probably wondering where the washer and dryer are. Lo and behold, there you go, voila. You got the double stack.
Yep.
And you got some storage area. Very good use.
Yeah, excellent.
Of every space in the property.
Yeah, amazing. Okay, another king size bed here.
Another king size bed.
Yeah.
Another king size room. If you ask
it is.
me.
It's pretty big.
It's very big. Double vanity, which again, you don't see a lot. You got your toilet in here.
Yep, toilet in there. Okay.
And then
And
another
then we've got
large
here.
shower area.
Yeah, very big.
Very big.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Love it. How much is this one listed for, Franco?
So this one is listed for 2.39 billion Colombian pesos, which comes around to 597 US dollars.
Okay.
Like I said, it's 240 square meters. As you can tell throughout this walkthrough, how big this place is.
Yeah, it is pretty darn big. All right, so let's check out the next apartment, Franco.
All right, let's go up.
Yeah, I want to live in this place though.
I know, right?
All right, Franco, let's take a look at this second penthouse up here.
Let's go do it.
Holy.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, look at this. Holy cow.
Wow. I like this. This is
Yeah.
a lot of space.
A lot of space. This is the living area. You've got a big couch, the TV here. You've got over here, look at this, Franco.
You got the dining table that could fit 6, possibly 8, 9, perfect
Yeah.
for entertaining. Love the chandelier and the
Yeah.
high ceilings as well.
And the art, look at the art.
Yeah,
It's so
the
cool.
artwork. That's actually really nice.
Yeah, very cool. We'll go over there to the kitchen in a second, but look over here. Look how big this
Big open balcony.
balcony.
One of the 2 balconies that
Yeah.
this place has.
And look, guys, here is the road, and that road goes right into Provenza over there,
Yeah.
which is only 4-minute walk.
And it's not very noisy as well.
Yeah.
It's very
Franco,
peaceful.
how many bedrooms is this one?
So this one is 4 bedrooms, 4 baths. It's got a private jacuzzi. There are 4 full bathrooms, which we're gonna go check out in
Okay.
a minute.
Okay. Let's see. This is the kitchen area here.
Yeah, the nice kitchen here.
Yeah. A lot of natural light, which I really love. What's in these? It's like
So let's
the
check
pantry
this
area.
out.
Oh,
We have
storage
pantry.
area. Oh, look.
What is
there's
this?
like
a
a little
microwave.
where you can hide your
There you go. When your
stuff back
mother-in-law
there.
visits, you can hide her away.
hide her away. We got more storage over here, and the laundry area with the stackable
Washer and dryer
Yeah,
stack.
very good.
Very nice.
All right, lead the way. Where are we going?
Well, let's head on over back to the living area, and we'll head to the primary bedroom, which is right here to the right. Go ahead.
Well, let's look at that one last. I think. Let's look at these first over here.
All right, let's do that.
Because they're smaller, right?
They are smaller. So first we have a guest bathroom. It's actually a full bath.
Oh, true. Yeah. Okay, full
Very
bath.
nice. So we can go into this one, which was an office before, but it turned it into a bedroom.
Okay. Yeah.
This one doesn't have a bathroom,
Yeah.
but it's got nice space for working.
Yeah, that's true. You could make it just into an office if you were living in it, huh?
Yeah. So this is one of the bedrooms here.
Wow.
Very
this is
big
the
and
smaller
open.
bedroom.
It's one of the smaller ones.
King size
It's
bed.
not the master, the primary.
Oh, look at
But
the shower.
what it does have is what they call it, the sexy shower.
All right, get in there. Let's see.
A sexy shower. Just imagine me being my sexy self showering here. It's very nice, very big. I like it a
that
lot.
is a large space there.
Yeah.
Okay, how many square meters is this?
A lot. It's a lot. I'll tell you in just a minute.
Okay, let's go into the master as you look at
It
it.
is 260 square meters, which is roughly around 2,800 square feet.
Wow,
and
2,800 square feet.
That is a lot. Yes, you don't see
and
that
this
a lot.
is the
in
master?
And this is the master. It's pretty much two bedrooms, standard Colombian bedrooms put together. That's what the owner was
Oh,
telling
there's
us.
another
And there's
sexy shower
another
there.
Giant sexy shower. I'm 6'4", so you could just imagine.
You're 6'4"? Dang
Yes,
it, man.
you can just imagine.
Got an inch on me. All right, and down here we've got
I got
the toilet area
the toilet area with
and the walk-in closet.
the
Look at
walk-in
that.
closet, which is also very big. Got a lot of
Yeah.
stuff.
A lot
You
of
got a lot of
storage space
storage
there.
for all your things.
Yeah, very cool. All right, let's go upstairs because this is a 2-story.
It is. It's hard to imagine.
Yeah. It's so clandestine. If you look at the building from outside,
And check out this artwork. This is really
Yeah.
good artwork. Periodic table, but with different
different things. Yeah,
different items.
very cool.
So these are the stairs.
All right, we'll go up here.
Which leads right into another living area. Big
Okay.
high ceilings, fans.
Look at that.
Yeah, very cool chandelier.
Is that a bathroom back there?
Let's go check it out. Got a good view of some greenery.
A good view of the greenery.
Of the
Yeah,
greenery.
true.
Green views, and then yes, this is another bedroom.
No sexy shower in this one.
No
dang
sexy
it.
showers, more of a private sexy shower. You can go ahead in there.
I think we've said that word way too much. Okay, cool. Yeah, so this is kind of like a guest bedroom up here.
Yeah,
And this over here actually has a little terrace.
I love this living area. I would come here watch so many sports games, all
Yeah.
of the Club World Cup, basketball, NBA games.
True.
Have a nice barbecue out here. as you have the barbecue.
So we've got another table, like a dining table here.
Another dining table.
A wet area here.
Uh-huh.
Could be like a little wet bar there. And
yep. You got your ice bath.
Wow, ice bath.
And jacuzzi.
Ice bath here. And your jacuzzi here. All right, so what is the asking price on this one, Franco?
So the asking price on this is 2.7 billion Colombian pesos, which comes out roughly approximately to 675,000 US dollars.
All right, cool. We actually have the owner here, which is a very nice surprise. Usually we don't have owners showing us apartments or in our videos. So we're gonna go ask them a couple questions about this so you get a better idea. And hopefully if you want to make an offer or you want to look at this one, or maybe you want to go see something else, all you got to do is click on the link in the description below, fill out the form, and somebody on our team will get back to you as soon as possible. It'll probably be me or Franco or AK or our assistant. Let's go talk to the owner. Dean, how you doing?
I'm good. I must say, hey guys, this guy is 7 feet tall. So I'm really 6 feet, but he makes me look like I'm 5'5", okay? First off, but I'm doing good. Thanks for asking.
Well, first of all, where are you from?
Born in Iran, raised in LA. I've lived here on and off for the last 3 years. Me and my brother, actually.
Did you buy this and remodel it yourself, or was it already remodeled when you bought it?
No. This place looked like it was from the 70s, you know? Completely renovated. So all the headache and the hassle, 1 year of your life, we put into each place. Yeah.
Wow. And how long ago was that?
This one was a little bit over 3 years. The one upstairs, a little over 2 years.
I know that you have this on Airbnb. How does it perform?
It performs so well, I don't want to sell it, to be honest. I don't want to sell either one because I've been looking around. I can't find anything like this around here.
Okay.
Because it's so convenient to Provenza, so convenient to Parquilletas if you really wanted to go. A lot of my friends are down here, but I have my eyes on another project. And I don't want to bring more cash in from the States. So I'll get rid of these and let somebody else really enjoy it.
Yeah, I got you.
But to answer your question, they're doing really good. This is renting a little under $5,500 a month, and we're about 95% occupancy. And upstairs, you're about $6,000 a month.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
So you're a very good cap rate for whoever actually buys it. It's still, over the regular 4 to 6% cap rate. That's very good. All right. You have beautiful properties here, Dean. I can't wait to see your new project. Actually, once you get that going.
Yeah, no, I'll definitely call you. You got us. That's going to be a pretty sick project. So.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for letting us in here.
Appreciate you guys.
We'll see you guys in the next video.
Thanks, guys.